Okay, friends, so today I am going to discuss with you about a new application that has been recently launched on Google Play Store, and its name is Shopkeepers Assistant Trial and Shopkeepers Assistant Pro. So, this application is now available on Google Play Store in two variations. The the one is the trial version and the another is the pro version. So this application can be used by any shopkeeper to sell their products to their customers, and it is very easy to use. So in this video I am going to talk about this application and I will show you how this application works. So first we have to go to our Play Store, Google Play Store, and type Shopkeepers Assistant Trial or Shopkeepers Assistant Pro. So trial version is a trial version and the pro version is a pro version. For the pro version you have to pay money, and trial version is a trial version which can be used for some time and then it will stop working. So you can download the trial version and you can use it, and if you like it you can buy the pro version. So for downloading the Shopkeepers Assistant you have to type in your Google Play Store Shopkeepers Assistant Trial. So when you will type it and search it, you will see this application, Shopkeepers Assistant, and this is the logo of this application. You have to install this application, and this is a very small application and it will be installed in your phone very quickly. Okay, so now it is installed in my phone and I will show you where it is installed in my phone. So this is the logo icon of this application. So now I'm going to open this application. So for the first time when you will open this application in your phone, you have to set the currency. So at the top you have to set the currency. So in whichever country you are living in, you want to set the currency, you just have to tap here set currency, and a list of currencies will appear before you and you have to choose your currency. So this database contains the currency of 158 countries, so you can choose it. So suppose I choose say US dollars, USD. So I have set my currency and now this application will work in USD. So you cannot change this currency now. If you want to change the currency, you have to reset this application from here and you have to put the password for the reset, which is 12345. So after you reset it, all the data stored in this application will be deleted. So beware, you have to set the correct currency before you start using this application. So now I have selected USD. So after selecting the currency, you have to go to the manage, and when you select the manage, you have all these options. So you have the edit message for customers. Here you can edit the message for your customers, and it will ask you what message you want to give to your customers. So suppose I say thank you for shopping with us. So this message will be delivered to the customer when you send the bill to your customer through any social media app. I will show you how you can send the invoice or the bill to your customers. So you can go to the message, you can edit your business name from here. Business name, you can give your business name. So suppose I give like coffee shop, or no, like suppose I give like provision store. Okay, so this is the name of my business, suppose. Then I can put the GST rate. So the GST rate is a prevailing tax rate in your country, and suppose I put say 7. So you have to put just the number, you don't have to put the percentage. So 7 means 7% of the tax, and then the most important thing is add and edit items. So from here you have to add the items. So I tap on add edit items, and then this screen will appear. In this screen you have to add the name of the item, cost of the item, and the quantity for that cost. So you can so there are two options. First is the enter QR or barcode, or you can scan. So you can scan the QR or barcode of your item, or you can enter manually. So suppose I enter it manually, say 100, and then my item is suppose apple. For this barcode 100, and the cost is say suppose 2. Here please note that you don't have to put the currency, the name of the currency. You just have to put the unit of the currency, the number of the currency, like it is for 2 USD. Okay, because we have already set the currency in this application, so you don't need to put the currency like 2 USD, just 2 is enough. And then you have to put the quantity for 2 USD, how much you are selling, say 1 kg apple. And then you have to click on add edit item. So when you will click on add edit item, so this item will be added in your list. So this 100 is the barcode or the QR code, and the item is apple, and you're selling it for 2 USD per 1 kg. So you can add as many items as they are in your shop and make a list over here. So suppose I add another item. Now this time I will use the scan QR code. So suppose I click on scan QR code, and okay, so let me search my QR or the barcode. So here's my barcode. Okay, so I click on scan QR barcode, and then it will ask you for allowing your camera to open, and then you scan your barcode or the QR code. Okay, so as soon as the scanning is done, the number of your barcode will appear over here. Now you can enter the item for this barcode. Suppose this is mango you are selling, and the cost is suppose 1.5 USD, and this is for 1 kg. And then you click on add edit items. So now you can see again the list. In the list the mangoes are appearing for this code number 101 mango USD 1.5 per kg. So you can add all the items in your shop in this list. So I will add one more item, and then I will show you how to sell. Okay, so suppose I am adding now 102, and for 102 I have grapes, and the cost is suppose 2.5 USD, and the quantity I'm selling is 1 kg. Okay, let me add one more item, say 104 for the bar QR code, and this is eggs, and okay, this is eggs, and cost is suppose 3 USD, and quantity is 1 dozen. Okay, so I add it. So now you can see, oh, I used 104. So this is 104. For 104 barcode you have eggs, you are selling it for 3 USD for 1 dozen. So you can add all the items that are available in your shop in this list. So now you click on the home button over here. So you will go to the main page. Now you again click on manage. You can see the search items. From this link you can go to the search item list, and you can search any item that is available in your shop that you have added to your list. Okay, so delete item. If you want to delete any item from your list, you can scan the bar or the QR code of that item, and that item will be deleted from the list. Then show bills. Since we haven't sold anything, so there is nothing in this list. So now let's go to the cell. and now we are going to sell our item. Suppose some customer comes in our shop and he wants to buy something, then we have to scan the QR code of that item, and then it will appear in here. So this thing will work in two modes. The first is automatic mode on, then the another one is a manual mode. So I will show you how they work. So now this screen is set up in the automatic mode on, and I will touch the scan QR or the barcode from here, and suppose I am selling the item corresponding to 101 QR code. So I will scan the QR code of that item and see the item has been added to the bill. So for 101 QR code, the item was mango and the price was 1 USD per 1 kg. And since I have scanned it one time, so it is the sold quantity is 1 and the cost is 1.5. Suppose I want to sell say five apples or five number of items, then I can do it by switching it on to the automatic mode off. Now if I scan the bar QR code, okay, so for 102 I have grapes, so it is showing grapes that I'm going to sell for 2.5 USD per 1 kg. Suppose I want to increase the amount, so I can increase or decrease from plus sign. Suppose I want to sell 5 kg, so this is 5 kg, and I add item. So see, it is added in the list 102 grapes, which I am selling for 2.5 USD for 1 kg, and I sold 5 quantities, and the price is 5 into 2.5, 12.5. And here you can see the total cost of your items, and this cost does not include the GST rate. So when you will click the generate bill, then it will calculate the cost with the GST rate. If you think that the customer don't want to buy this item, suppose 101, then you can click here scan to delete item and scan that item, and it will disappear from here. So suppose my customer wants to buy these two items. Now I will go to the generate bill icon tab, and then click here generate bill. So see, on this page I can see the name of my shop that I have given, provision store, and this is the sharing item. You can share this bill with any social media application, and this is the invoice number, and this invoice number is unique to all the bills. So first 4 digits are the year, the second 2 digits are the month and the date and the time. So every invoice number will be unique, so you can identify the item sold for a corresponding invoice number. So this is the list of the items that I have sold, and this is the total cost, and this is the total cost with you GST. Now I confirm this bill. So when I confirm this bill from here, confirm bill, so bill is confirmed, the bill has been added to your database, and you can trace this bill whenever you want with the invoice number. Okay, suppose I want to share this bill with my customer, so you can click on the share button, and all the social media applications will appear, and you can easily share it. And remember, you gave some message, you wrote some message for your customers, and that message will be delivered along with this page to your customer. Okay, so you can share it. Now I go to the home page, and I go to the manage, and I click on show bills. So when I click on show bills, see, this bill has been added to my show bill. So when I click on show bill, so I will see the items that I was sold corresponding to this invoice number, and the GST rate was 7%, and this was the total cost with GST. Okay, so hope you like this application. So this application is very useful for all the shopkeepers, uh, and I think uh, you will like this application. And if you have any comments, you can write in the comment section of the below. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.